What's up guys, this is Baby Snow and welcome back to my channel. So here's a very important update with Dollar Beans. So today I've decided, alright, so I've decided to stop promoting Dollar Beans. Okay, but don't worry guys, I will tell you everything about what happened. So Dollar Beans is actually a great project, but still it's an ROI and there is a huge percentage every day. I told you na I will save this project, but since I am really busy and focusing on the trends, or which is my main project, so Dollar Beans is actually hindi ko lang siya talaga maaasikaso na. Okay, but here's the reason I made the decision not to pursue this project. Let me show you what happened. So actually si Dollar Beans, kung ito lang talaga yung project na i-workout natin, sabi ko nga, even my own personal money ay isusupport ko sa contract. But since nakita ko for the last 1 month or for the first month na nilaunch natin to, walang nagpo-promote guys, and unfortunately hindi siya talagang maraming nag-invest kasi ang buhay talaga ng isang smart contract is nasa mga investors yan. Okay? When it comes to smart contract and staking contracts or what we call ROI investments, talagang galing dito sa contract yon. But sabi ko nga, just like I promised to you guys when we launched this project, na sabi ko nga, even my own personal money, isusupport ko dito sa contract. But since I'm very busy and I'm focusing on the trend project na alam ko talaga ito yung lifetime project natin, so instead of putting all my money dito sa contract, kasi actually kung tutuusin pwede ko tong investan katulad ng ginawa ko sa BNB Cash, alright? Ininvest ko yung more than $1,000 worth of my money dito sa BNB Cash. Okay? Kaya naman tumagal yung project na yon. So, dito kasi hindi ko siya talaga ma-boost, hindi ko siya mai-promote ng as in katulad ng ginawa ko sa BNB Cash kasi I need to focus on my trend project. So, ngayon, kung tutuusin pwede pa rin itong magtagal kasi nga yung tax system nito or yung what we call the treasury features nito. Kaya nga, tignan nyo, ngayon 1 month na si Dollar Beans, pero still meron pa rin namang siyang natitira no, na money sa contract. So, but unfortunately, yun nga, sabi ko nga guys, kailangan maraming investors para ma-support or ma-sustain. So, sige, sabihin na natin na hindi siya nag-work. Walang gaanong investors. Alright? Now, let's say, ilalagay ko dito yung extra money ko. Alright? So, say for example, I will invest like 1,000 USDT here. And then, wala pa rin magpo-promote. So, ang mangyayari nun, parang nagbibigay lang ako ng, kumbaga sa akin na lang nanggagaling, no, yung inyong mga earnings, and walang nagpo-promote. So, it's not fair. Okay? So, yun nga, I've decided not to pursue this project and focus na lang sa trend. Kasi si trend, that's really my lifetime project. Okay? Instead of putting my thousands of dollars here, kasi I already did. Alright? I paid 1,300 for a developer to develop this platform for me. Alright? 1,300. So, I have a proof on that. Okay, let me show you really quick kung makikita ko dito yung conversation namin with the dev of this platform. So, I'm the owner. Okay, this is all my idea. Pero, nagbayad ako ng isang dev to do this for me. Okay? So, hold on a second. Code with Joel. So, this one. So, this this developer, alright? Pakita ko sa inyo guys, ha? Actually, at the beginning, it's not about Dollar Beans. Ang project na gusto ko is about Sol Funder. Alright? And ang presyo niya sa akin is 2,000. Yan, 2,000 US dollars. So, hindi ko yun ginrab. Alright? And then after that, so Christmas yon, nag-message ako sa kanya. And sabi niya meron tayong magiging discount na half, 50%. Ayan, 50% discount. So, naging 700 lang. Alright, so pumayag na ako. Okay, sabi niya 50% habang yung deposit, and then 50% once natapos na yung project. Okay? But then, akala ko yun lang yun. So, ayan, nag-deposit na ako ng 350. Pero, after that, sinabi pa rin niya na kailangan ko mag-send ng another 3 sol. Ayan, please send 3 sol to this account so I can deploy. So, ibig sabihin, by that time, ang sol noon is nasa 199 per sol. Almost 200 per sola na. Okay? So, it means, 3 sol is like 2, 4, 600. Plus yung 700. So, that means 1,300. Okay? So, to cut the long story short, I paid 1,300 for Sol Funder. Okay? But, after few weeks, nung dinedevelop niya yung project na Sol Funder, unfortunately, sabi niya na-hack daw yung account. So, yung 3 Sol na sinend ko sa kanya is nasama dun sa na-hack. So, nagpapasend na naman siya. Okay? Ng another 3 Sol. But that's very unfair. 'Di ba? So, wala naman na akong choice kasi na-send ko na yung pera. Okay? So, ito ngayon, account din niya to. Okay? Wala akong sama ng loob sa dev na to kasi ginawa niya pa rin si Dollar Beans. Yun nga lang kasi na nagka-leche-leche na dahil yun nga daw, na-hack daw. Kesyo ganyan. I don't know if it's true. So, naging Dollar Beans na yung project, which is at first is hindi naman yun talaga. Okay? So, ang nangyari is actually ayoko nang masyado, pero yun nga, basta just to let you know na I paid a lot for this Dollar Beans project. Actually, hindi si Dollar Beans ha. Yung first, yung original na namin agreement is Sol Funder. But because yun nga, nagkaroon ng aberya, nawala yung money, so nagpapasend siya ulit ng another 3 Sol. Sabi ko, no way. Kasi syempre, that time, mas tumaas pa si Sol. So, ibig sabihin, magiging 1,500 or almost 2,000 na yung project. So, hindi ko tinuloy. Sabi ko, sige, i-develop mo na lang si Dollar Beans and refund mo na lang sa akin yung kahit 500 na lang. So, sana 800 lang sana yung project na to, pero but up until now hindi pa rin niya nare-refund, which is malabo nang ma-refund yon. So in short, gumastos na ako ng 1,300 sa project na to. Okay? Tapos syempre gusto kong makabawi. Alright? So but my main concern pa rin is yung community, kaya I decided kahit na nag-loss na tayo dito, no, hindi pa na-recover yung amounts na yon. Okay? That's fine. So, dun sa mga nag-invest, since konti lang naman yung nag-invest, okay? Ayan, puntahan natin dito. So, makikita pa rin natin dito, guys, kung ilan yung investors. Okay? So, dito na natin makikita sa contract, and then, dito sa read contract. Okay? Makikita natin dito kung ilan yung total investors. So, nandito yan. Max payout. Alright, so guys, ayan no, total bakers, there's only 17. Alright, so, and hindi ko alam, baka lahat dito is passive lang yung gusto. I mean is, hindi sila nagre-refer, wala silang mga dinadalang investors. So, tendency, ako lang yung, ayan, so galing lang din sa akin, 7 sign-ups, diba? And then, I have like 4 accounts here. So this is my first account, which has $71. And guess what, guys? Nakapag-withdraw lang ako dito 2 times. Okay? So hindi pa nabawi yung capital. And guess what? Ayan, makikita nyo naman dito no, kung gaano pa karami yung available to withdraw. Ayan. So nasa total of ano to? 77 USDT yan. And my last withdrawal is 8 days ago. Pag withdraw ko to, babawas na naman siya sa contract. Tendency nun, ayan, mauubos na siya. Okay? So, hindi ako nagwi-withdraw. Hinahayaan ko lang kayo na makapag-withdraw. Okay? But unfortunately, ayun na nga. So, puntahan natin ulit yung, pakita ko pa sa inyo yung other account ko. So, this is just one of my accounts. na pag winidraw ko to, babawas yung 77 USDT dyan. Sabihin natin may tax yun. So, sabihin na lang natin nasa $50. So, babawas na naman siya dyan. Which is, hindi ko naman gagawin. Okay? And then, ito, yung isang account ko. Yan, Dollar Beans Team. So, i-connect natin. Makikita nyo dito, mas malaki to guys. Okay? Ayan. So, this one is, ayan. So, nasa 109, how much is this? 1,190,203. Ibig sabihin guys, nasa 100 USDT. Pag winidraw ko to guys, wala nang laman yung contract. Okay? But hindi ko siya ginagawa. I still have 2 more accounts. So, gusto ko lang parating sa inyo guys na I don't have any intentions hindi kayo kumita. Gusto ko kumita kayo. Okay? Kaya nga hindi ko na wini-withdraw. 'Di ba? So, I still have 2 more accounts na hindi ko rin wini-withdraw. Okay? Hinahayaan ko lang kayo na mag-withdraw ng mag-withdraw. But it's not really fair for me na walang nagpo-promote. So, kung walang nagpo-promote, then I'm too busy with my main project. That's why I've come up to a decision not to pursue this project. But this is the great news guys for you na nag-invest. So those first investors, those who joined here since the very first day, okay? So those who put in like yung minimum kasi dito is $2 lang. So kung may mga naglagay dito ng mga $10 or something like that, siguro yung iba nakabawi na at kumikita na sila kasi this is lifetime na yung inyong mga capital dito. So, kung naglagay kayo dito tas nakabawi na kayo, yun, good for you. Okay? But for those investors, yung 17 na yun, and siguro, konti lang talaga kasi sa akin pa yung iba doon, 'di ba? So, dun sa mga iba na hindi pa nakabawi, kung nakapag-withdraw na kayo, kung magkano yung natitira nyo pa na hindi na withdraw dito, just let me know and I will give your money back. Okay? Kung magkano man, whatever amount na nilagay nyo dito, of course, yun lang guys ha, wala yung profit. So, just, lang, para bumalik lang sa inyo. Kasi I'm sad that this happened to Dollar Beans. Kasi I put a lot of money here. 'Di ba? Sabi ko nga, ayun, nakita nyo naman yung proof. Tapos yun din, naglagay ako ng capital dito, which is hindi ko pa rin naman nabawi. Kasi I want you to withdraw your earnings here and hoping na sana may tumulong para mag-promote, para lumago yung project na to, para tumagal din siya. Kasi totoo naman na tatagal sana siya. Kaso nga lang, kung walang nagpo-promote, bali wala din, 'di ba? So, sayang naman. Sayang naman yung magiging effort ko. Plus, yung plano ko sana na buhayin yung contract. May plan na ilagay kahit yung own personal money ko dito sa contract. I've decided not to do so. And that money, gagamitin ko na lang kay Trend. Okay? So, yung gagamitin ko na yun for Trend is to put liquidity para maging tradable na yung Trend token. Okay? So, doon guys, talagang 100% sure na wala nang mai-scam sa Trend token, kay Trend ecosystem. I'm very excited. I have a lot of plans. Kaya, I'm very busy. Hindi na ako nakakapag-upload or update sa ating YouTube channel. Kasi nga, I am really serious about Trend ecosystem, about Trend project. Ayan, ilo-launch natin yung Trend staking. At hindi yun matutulad dito kay Dollar Beans o sa other previous projects natin kasi that's my very own token and I will make sure 100% of my effort na talaga na pumatok yung Trend token na yun kasi we will launch not just the Trend staking and also aware naman tayo na nilaunch na rin natin yung ating social media booster and congratulations dun sa mga nag-benefit na, nag-try ng boosting ng kanilang mga accounts. Yan, anuhin pa natin yan, ipupush natin yan kasi marami pang di nakakaalam and it's very useful lalo sa mga nagsisimula sa social media accounts nila. Okay? Lalo ngayon, ang YouTube automation, Facebook page, yung mga content creators, kailangan itong ating social media booster. So, ipupush natin yan. That's the very first product ni Trend. And then, by March, yung ating Trend staking, which is, guys, makikita nyo yung significant, yung worth nitong Trend ecosystem. I am very sure, kahit ngayong una medyo mabagal, Which is gusto ko naman yun kasi syempre, yun lang mga first holders natin, di ba? Na nakabili sa small amount which is 0.001, sila yung talagang magbe-benefit dito. Kasi I'm sure darating yung time once we launch these upcoming projects ay saka sila magmamadaling magsipag buy. So that way, may iwasan natin yung dumping ng ating token. Kasi kung ngayon sila bibili ng kung maraming investors ngayon sa 0.001 USDT na amount ni Trend, pag nilaunch natin to tapos malaki yung amount, like say for example 0.01 or 0.005, depende, no? Depende sa akin kung magkano natin lalagay yung listing price. So baka mag-sell out, 'di ba? Yung mga naunang bumili. So tendency madadump or mahirapan tayong mag-recover. Pero yun nga, I'm excited and it doesn't matter to me kung medyo mabagal yung nagbabay, no? But ang dami pa ring nagbabay. Thank you sa inyo guys, sa inyong support. So, wag naman nating i-dump yung token. Basta mag-ipon lang kayo, and then once we launch the trend staking, i-stake nyo yun yung mga trends kasi guys, grabe po. Marami tayong ilo-launch, especially yung ating music DApp, yung play to earn. Naku, grabe guys, I'm very very excited. Matagal ko na tong pinagdesisyonan about this dollar beans, even if I paid $1,000 dito sa project na to, na gusto ko sana mag-work, 'di ba? Gusto ko sana kasi hindi lahat gusto ng gusto nila talaga yung passive income, yung talagang yung walang ginagawa kumikita, 'di ba? But unfortunately, hindi ko kayang i-sustain or i-support sa inyo, no, yung earnings nito. Kung hindi rin naman to nagwo-work, kung wala rin namang tumutulong para mag-promote ng project to attract investors, so it's useless. Ako lang yung magiging lugi doon. And sabi ko nga, okay lang sana kung wala akong other project na pinagkakaabalahan. Pwede yon, pwede kong gawin yon, okay? Sa trading lang, kaya kong kunin yun. But, sabi ko nga, I'm very busy with my Trend project. Even the trading, hindi ako makapag-trade ngayon kasi dine-develop natin si Trend. And, yun nga, sabi ko sa inyo guys, kung magtitiwala kayo kay Trend, dun kayo makakabawi ng husto. Alright? So, again, yun, dun sa mga investors, sa 17 investors, so minus 4 pa yan kasi I have 4 accounts there. So, 13 investors na naglagay dito kay Dollar Beans, just let me know, share your screenshots and your wallet address so I can check dun sa contract kung magkano na yung na-withdraw nyo, magkano in-invest nyo, magkano pa yung hindi nyo na babawi dun sa total amount na nilagay nyo. I will give it back to you guys. Okay? So, just to be fair para dun sa mga nag-invest dito. Alright? And dun sa mga kumita na, no, yung nakapag-withdraw, it's okay. At least naka-profit kayo. Don't worry about kung meron man kayong na-withdraw na profit. But yun nga, sabi ko nga, I've decided to stop promoting this. And yun, hanggang ngayong date na to guys, ayan, February 15, yung mga nag-invest dito, yun, ibabalik ko yung inyong mga kapital. Okay? So, I hope that's clear. And yeah, kung meron mang makadiscover kay Dollar Beans from other countries na gusto mag-invest dito, yun, bahala na sila. Okay? Basta, ang sagot ko na lang ngayon guys, yung mga nag-invest dito from the day we launched this project, January 11, up to February 15. So, yun, ibibigay ko sa inyo yung inyong mga kapital kung hindi kayo nakabawi. But dun sa mga nag-invest ng una, tapos kumita na, good for you. That's your you deserve it. Okay? So, I hope malinaw. And, yeah, that's all my update. Basta, from now on, I'll be focusing on Trends project and those people, those of you na nakapanood nito, silipin nyo si Trend. Okay? Silipin nyo yung aking Trend project kasi I will put all my effort 100% dito sa project na to. And I'll make sure na magiging successful ito. This is my lifetime project. This will not be like Dollar Beans, like any other staking projects kasi the Trend is an ecosystem na lifetime ko talaga siyang ipupush. Lifetime na talaga yung project na yun. And no one can stop me. Alright? So, that's all my update for now. Again, thank you for your support and accept my apology with this project. even me guys, hindi ko nabawi yung aking kinapital dito plus yung puhunan dito sa project na to. But hopefully, soon may makakita pa rin no, kay Dollar Beans. And kasi nandyan lang naman yan, hindi ko yan tatanggalin. I will keep it live. Alright? So, but I'm no longer supporting the contract. Kasi katulad nung sinabi ko sa inyo when we launched this. So, yun lang. Yung mga nag-invest from the day we launched this project up to ngayon, February 15, ay ibabalik ko yung inyong mga kapital. But, pwede pa rin naman itong mag-work guys. Kung marami lang papasok na mga promoters or investors, tatagal ito guys. Alright? But, since, yun nga, walang nagpo-promote, that's why I've decided not to pursue the project. Alright? So, yun. That's it. That's it guys. And again, this is Baby Snow. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.